Hey guys, this is Joe Lasher, and I've got a quick tip for you. The slow cooker is huge and instrumental in my weight loss journey for meal prepping. And so one of the things that I learned to do was to prep freezer meals for the slow cooker. And this is one of the easiest ones I could do. Take 3 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, put into a Laura Lynn freezer bag, about 12 ounces of barbecue sauce. I'm gonna put about half of this bottle in there, like so. Maybe a little more than half. We're gonna take half a cup of brown sugar, about a 1/4 cup of vinegar, and we're gonna put about 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, and then we're gonna put just a good little bit of cayenne pepper in there. If you don't like it spicy, don't do it. Zip it up. Do your best to get some of the air out of there. And there you go. Put that in the freezer, pull it out whenever you're ready. Let it sit for about 1 hour or under cold water for 15 minutes. Put it in the slow cooker on low for 6 hours, high for 4 hours, and when it's done, it's done. Shred it and eat it.